All right, I want to show you how to get rid of spiders and spider nests in your home, whether that's the kitchen or whether that is in the bathroom or wherever. So as you can see here, I got a little spider right here, and I've been able to get rid of spider nests and spiders just by using an ultrasonic pest repellent. So as you can see here, I got one right here, and what it does, it makes a little clicking noise. But to the insect, it's like a gigantic jackhammer that's going kong, kong. So, as you can see here, his web and nest was right here. Was making little babies, and now he is retreating, and eventually he'll leave the room. He'll probably go back underground or whatever. And what's good about it is it doesn't involve chemicals, it doesn't involve sprays. It's safe, and you can use it around your pets like dogs and cats and birds. Just make sure you don't have any tarantulas or gerbils, because it also will get rid of roaches, insects, and mice and rats, the ultrasonic pest repellent. So I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get one. It's fairly cheap, and when you get it in, let me know if it's working for you, and tell me where your spider infestation is. All right, thanks for watching.